are now starting. We are now going to be trading binary option. I will just log into the broker and do a reload here so you can type in the password. See there. So we was very successful yesterday. We made a profit of $1,025. So let's hope we can continue that today. Also, we will trade 2 hours today. We will trade 1 hour on this broker and then 1 hour on pocket option after. Now let's see. I will now just promote this video super fast so we get in some people. Let me see. Let's bring up my other computer here also so we have an extra good view over the chat. Now let's see. We are going to be there. While you're waiting, make sure you like this video so we get more people in. More people will get in, like I said before. More fun it is for me to do this. Let's see. And there. Okay. Then we have that in order. Now let's see if we start to get some people into this live session. We are already 5 people. Amazing. Good morning for you two also. We are going to start very soon. I'll just do one more thing. So today we're going to trade first on this broker IQ Sense, and then we're going to trade after on pocket options, so we'll direct jumping in between. Let's see. And there. Okay. Then I think we can just start. I think we are enough people live right now. We have already 6 likes. Amazing. There we have even have coffee. Can't be better than that. So we start with the first pair. Let me just write one thing here in the chat so all people get it. There. So I don't need to repeat it. Now let's see. We can see here we had one before, but we see the retest here. I did not like that much, so I think we skip this one for now. And like always now, I have an extra computer up here now with the chat, so any question I will reply right away. Let me close this one first, make just confusion. So just have open. We just might have something on top here. It's just retest, but let's see now. Let's Let's make a horizontal line here. Actually, we do have foretest. That's good enough for me. Let's mark it. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we would have won 3 of them. We are happy with that. We take $100. Okay, so we can... wait. This is the regular one. We are not trading on the regular, because we only gain 60%. So you see, they are the real ones. This is more like a copy, you can say. So it's another timeline following more like a copy of how it was before. Are we building something here? Let me see. I want to see how this one closes before we take a decision. And we see he did not do that well. So that means we are continuing looking. So let's hope we can be the same successful today like you were yesterday. Yesterday we did amazingly. We did a lot of trades. For the ones that did not see, let me see if I can move it over to the side here now. Yesterday we did, let's see, all these trades you see here. We started actually with 2 trades, loss, then we won quite a lot in row, get 1 loss here, we won a lot in row again, and we lost the last trade. So we basically made 1,025. So let's see if we can repeat that today. Average, I think we are making, even with the bad weekend last week, average I think we have around 500 in profit a day from this live session, so that is pretty decent. And anyone that have a question, you can write it in the chat. And if you are able to find something that I have not found yet, I'm super happy to know about it. Not so much. For some strange reason, it's a little ugly, the chart for me today. Do you see? I don't like it. It's a little different. They must have done an update, because it's not automatically more, do you see? Need to move it yourself. I don't like it. I think they have done an update and it's a little horrible. But here we do have something, I think. Let's mark it to the green and the thickest line. Let's zoom in and move the line around there. I think we can trade that. Let's take a test. This is Australian dollar against dollar. I did just, wow. Be aware that the was super long delay today. I don't know why, but for me at least, I pushed it. I think it was 5 seconds after the trade came. So be aware of, we need to, maybe that was just a one-time thing, I hope so. By the way, I won, but let's see, I'll do it again or trade now. I hope this was a one-time thing, else otherwise it would be very difficult. I think I had a 5 seconds delay on the click. I will click and I will count next time. Because that is too much. 2 seconds, yes, we can live with. 5 is too much. By the way, we are first trade out of the way, $95 profit. I really hope this delay was just a one-time thing. And also that it's just for me. That is not something for all. But everything is a little strange here today. I don't like the chart, because you see its chart is up here. I need to move it like this. I don't know if it's a place that can fix that. In trading, you typically have a button you can choose to may fix it, but here I don't know. Now let's see. I'll count how long time from a push till the trade come. Let's see settings. But settings don't open. Oh, there it comes. Appearance. Is it automatically thing here? I don't see that. No. Do you have something down here maybe? And they should have this that you can hold the mouse over so you can see. Okay, what is this? Hide all row. I don't see nothing about how to fit the chart. Not at all. No. Because this is a little annoying. By the way, let's hope at least the delay was just a one-time thing. I will count next time I take a trade. There, done with the coffee. Now we can start for real here. But yes, there are something little strange with the chart today. Now let's see. So we are up $95. If this takes too long, I will start to look for something new. I think I start to look for something new. Let's see, we are on AUD USD. Here also, it's the same shit. I do not like it. Press and hold Ctrl by zoom. Let's try to do that. Does not make any difference. Now today, yeah, the chart is very strange. Okay, disregard that. Let's see if I can find something. By the way, I do see something in the top here that we can mark. Let's make. So we will do a sell trade if you come to this. See if that will help a little. I did no switch off the internet to see if we get a little faster here now. So if you felt we were away for a few seconds, yes, we were. I did just turn off the VPN. Because maybe it's the VPN that makes things slow here. I hope that was the thing. I'm not sure if this is the broker or if it's on my part. But still, we will look for something more. Let's open this one also. It's not so enjoyable trading, but I need to move like this. I hate it. Let's change. There, I need to do like this, like super annoying. Let's continue. But we're up $95 at least. But this makes things more difficult for me, because I'm not able to find, and when you need to go like this, you can zoom out properly. Now this was I need to alert them about this. This is super annoying. Let's see. So I use so much longer time to see if I find a trade. Unnecessary. For now we are waiting for 2. Let's see. Let's take a look at these 2 one more time. A little far away here. And a little far away here. So nothing to trade yet. Let's see if there are a way I can do this. No. Okay, now I see. That is for this one, understand. Nothing here. This one you see, he made a higher than this to here, so I was hoping we could make something here, but it's not the case. So we maybe have something here, let's see. I will mark it. And we need to follow and see how this turns out. Let's make it a green line, and the thickest one. We are now on euro against dollar. Let's zoom in. Let's take it to 30. If it come down again, I will take a trade, and I will count how long time takes from I push the button till the trade is taken. Let's see. This line must be something from yesterday. Now let's see. Let me check one thing very fast, if it's following my settings from TradingView. Let me open very fast here now to see if I have a auto scroll. While we wait here, let's see. We have auto fit screen. So it's not about that. Then I don't know. Then it's not following my screen, my TradingView settings. Now let's see. So if you come down to this line here, we will push the up button, and I will count how long time delay we have also. Because the first trade we detected today, I think, was at least 5 seconds, or super long delay. And that makes it very difficult to be trading. Okay, we're getting close here also. Was actually on this pair we detect the first trade, and we won. Now we are ready again. Two seconds delay is acceptable, but the first was too long. Let's see now. We are ready. Also try to get a good entry here now. If he let us take a trade, of course, that is. Now let's see. We can also take a look at another one here, if this one don't want to give us a trade. Little boring here now. Yesterday we had so much action. Okay, we had a trade here, just last minute. That we did. That's the problem when you're trading many places, we can't follow everyone. And I think even if I could split up the screen on this broker, I think it would be too small. Because for me, it would be big. I'm using a huge screen, one of the biggest ones that you can have. But I think for you all, if you're looking on a cell phone, you will get problem if I start to split up maybe like 4 or 5. Actually, it would be 4 or 6 to be fit perfectly. That would be, I think that would be super small for some people. So I think, by the way, I would need to take one by one, just so I know what would be good for all. So we are now waiting. We are up $95 on the day. It's no club. It's free. You can be part of this completely for free. We trade every single day for free here. So you basically are automatically a part of the club in that way. So you are welcome to the club. Now let's see. We are now going to trade on this line. Right away we come down on the line, I will push up. And I will count how long delay we have on the button, because like I said, the first was terrible. But for some reason he don't want us to trade more today. Yeah, we've been waiting a little now. It's now soon 50 minutes since the first trade we did take. We need our $500 a day. Let's see. And not yet. We were close, but close is not good enough. Let's see. We do not have copy trading for binary option. I've been thinking about it, and I was thinking like this. If I enable so you can be automatically copying my trades, I think then I will break a little for myself, because why would people then join my live stream if they could just turn on that? And rather, if this is early morning for you, you could rather just sleep and just copy what I'm doing. So I will basically work against myself if I enable copy trading. But when that is said, I have enabled copy trading for Forex. So that's something that if you're interested about Forex, you can copy every single trade I do there automatically. But for binary option, I have been thinking long and good on it. I'm not going to do that for binary option, because we are in 1, 2, okay, 2 seconds, that's okay. But line got broken, so, and also I do not like the idea of people copying me automatically, because if I have a bad day, it's too much pressure for me to know that I don't just do this trade for myself, I do it for other people also, and I don't like to be have that pressure on binary option. I can take it on Forex, but not on binary option. We ended up losing that trade, so we are for the day down $5. So we are not going to trade more this line. We can just erase it and move on. But we almost won, by the way, even though the line was broken. This one we are a little far away right now, so we just need to wait. let's check the euro against dollar. That one is also a little far away. That means we can close this one and start to look for a new trade. Let's see. So for the day we are down $5. We have not found a good line yet. Here we do maybe have something. I will mark it up. I will not take any trade before I mark it up, even though I see we are up there now. There, let's change for 30, and if you come up with it again, I will take the trade. So thankfully it was just the first trade that was a big delay. We still have a small delay, but that is normal on this broker. Typically the delay is between 1 and 2 seconds. I mean, okay. That delay was a little bigger again. I think it was now around 3 seconds delay. But at least we got a good entry. Now let's see. You can just go to my WhatsApp and you can talk to me there. You find below every video I have, you find a link to my WhatsApp. There, now we are up. But typically I'm not interested to any, I don't take any private sessions or nothing. So if it's that, whatever you want to pay, I don't do private sessions. And I'm not willing to change broker or nothing. So, but if it's anything else, yes, you can. I reply to everyone. One thing you never need to do is if anyone call me, I do not take calls. Okay. If someone call me, I typically block them because I find it annoying. But everyone that writes for me in WhatsApp, I do reply to. Now this line got broken also. Thankfully, as I was replying, I did not take a trade. So the line is broken here also, so let's move on. So then we are on GBP, Australian dollar. Let's check CAD, Canadian. Do we have something here? The zooming today is terrible. Typically you can zoom out very beautifully, and today it's terrible. I need to tell the support that they have done something wrong with the zooming, and they need to have an auto fit of the chart, because they don't have now. Because this is, actually I will do right away. Let me open Superfast. There. Because this is a little annoying. Typically what I like with this broker is the zoom in out. Today is not that good. So for today we have 3 trades, 2 wins, no 3 wins, now 2 wins and 1 loss. So we are up $90 today. Do we have something on the top here? No, I will not say no. I don't see anything else on this one. Let's move on. Here, probably, yeah, I will say so. We can make a line at least. Let's see. We take 1 trade here, probably. Let's make it red. The thickest line. Let me see. It's not amazing. It's not something like. Let's move this up here. Let me see if we take it there. But now, of course, he's moving away from the line also. I don't see anything else in the nearby future. Let's take a look here again. Far away. And far away. Now are we making something down here? It's too early to say, but we'll make a line so we can follow and see. Let's make it there. Let's make it a green. Ah, I did not even need to. He just broke straight through it, so then there are nothing. Was too early to say, by the way, but this one just confirmed that no, we are not going to trade there. Then I think we can just move on. Let's take a look here. No, nothing. We will trade on a pocket option after. I will not tell how long time we will trade there, because today I do them after each other and it's a little long for me, so I will see how long, as I did promise I will do, but I will not promise how long time we will trade there. Maybe just a little bit, but let's see. Later I will find a specific time where we trade on both brokers live. So I'll do 1 hour here and I will jump over there after directly. Let's see. Let's see. I don't see nothing here, and I see nothing here. So we have now traded for 32 minutes. We will trade 20 more minutes, 28 more minutes on this broker. Now let me ask about this thing here. I see nothing here. Today was a little more boring day. Yesterday we had trade after trade after trade. Today is one of these days we really need to okay. You find me in Telegram also in below my videos. It's just to join my Telegram channel and you can see who is the admin and then just write to the admin. I'm not so good to reply on Telegram, but if you write, I might find you later. I'm not so active in Telegram. At least not for chatting. Okay. Let me just write that the auto scroll is not working. There, now I have told support about the issue I have with scrolling here today, because it's not supposed to be like this. In a zoom out, don't follow the chart. So this is terrible. I'm not able to work properly when it's like this, because typically we can zoom out and I can see lines that maybe for all I know it's something up here and I can't see it because of this thing is not working properly. So I hope they can tell me to send a screenshot. Let's see. So if you come down to this line here, but we are a little far away. There. Now they should know about the issue. Let's continue. For now, I don't see nothing. Let me just take a reload of the chart with Ctrl FM to see if that works. Loading forever. That was a bad idea. Let's try again. Let's open. Thank you, sent. What is going on here now? Okay. Back to trading. No. Still not good. Okay, then I give up. Then we just keep it the way it is and let's hope get fixed later. We will soon, by the way, jump over to the another one, the other broker. We have just 3 trades today, 2 winners, and just $90 profit. We have now been trading for 38 minutes. Let's continue. We're starting to be close to the end here now of I don't see nothing here. Nothing. And see here now, if I zoom out and I go to left, we have nothing. So this is what I'm hating. You see here now, I need to go like this, like how, like here we can see it's a perfect line, but this I could typically see before. No, I can't. So this is super annoying. I really hope they fix it because this makes it very difficult to be trading. Now let's continue. We are basically going through all the list. And like I said, there might be a few places where we could have found a line, but I have a little difficulty to find them because of this terrible chart we have today. I'm not able to trade properly on it's like this. But no stress, we are soon going to jump over to another broker, by the way. So we have just 19 minutes left and we will jump over there. And we got in just 3 trades today, a little slow. We will see on the ones that we have marked up now if we're getting closer. We are far away here. We are far away here. And here. I think we, as we don't find anything and the chart is super terrible today, I think we just jump over and do the another one. So let's close my session here. And then let's move over. So now let's do the pocket option one instead. Let's sign in. We are loading in. There we are in. Okay. Now let's hope things are perfect here at least. Let's close all this. Yeah, here is following that screen, so this is good. Okay, thankfully something is working. Now let me just prepare one more time. We are now there. So for this one, we have a super account that you can start to use. I did post it now in the chat. You also find, if you see this as a recording, you find below the video. Now, how I find things here, we go to the 15 minutes. Now let's see. In the 15 minutes we can see we have something down here. It's decent, so let's mark that. So a line I will put around there. How we then do? Up here we're a little far away, but we can mark it. We have one more there. Let's move that one. See, that one up around here. We will then change that one for our red color. Then what you do, we go back to 30-second chart. Okay. Then what you do, we go here and we try to see where will be the best area. So I would say around here, and we need to count winners against losers. And with the one there, one, lost, one, lost, one, and one. So this line is good, but you can see we are far away, so that's why we will move on and take another one. So then we mark this one. Let me see. We are now on this, we mark it, and we can open a new. So let's go here. So then we follow euro against dollar. Let me just remove this. So the procedure here is a little different than the Anad broker. Here we need to go to the 15 minutes, figure out our area where we want to trade. We see one here, for example. We mark it like this. We then change this one for our red color. We go down to the 30 seconds. And you can see this region up here, I will move even a little more down, so around there. So because here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 winners lost. So you just have 5 against 1 winner. So this line up here we would easily trade. So this is basically how we trade on pocket option. Here we need to have a little more patience, because we are sometimes far away from the lines. Now when that is said, we see on the 30 seconds we have a good line here. That is not a line that I would typically trade, but just so we get something going on, because I only check on the 15 minutes because this one is strong, this one might be weak because it's on the 30 seconds. But on the 50 minutes, here we have a high win rate. This one, not so good. But we will, nevertheless, we will take a trade on this one here, because we see here we would got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 winners also. But this is not a 15-minute support resistance. This one is a 15-minute. So this one we know is super strong compared with this one here that maybe is just a 30 second support. We can check it super fast how it looks like on the 5 minutes. Okay, this on the 5 minutes is a good one, so then I think that made me a little more hopeful that we can win on this line down here. So then just follow and see if you can get a trade in. And do not worry if you have not made an account with this and the broker you did see before. I trade every single day, and you can easily just join me again tomorrow on my trading, so you can follow my trades and copy the trades I do. So you can always just open, and if you have an account with the pocket option from before, take advantage of my super account where I give you 60% of my affiliate income back to you. So make sure that you open with that one. But you need, if you have an account from before, you need to close your old account and reopen. So you need to withdraw your money and all this stuff. But it's worth it because you get cash back on every single trade. So you might not feel it that much if you're trading on a $100 account, for example, but there are some small money coming back to you for every single trade, and in the long run you will feel it. And when you can have an account like that, it's worth having. Even I don't have an account like that. So now let's see. We are now in between these two lines. We can also, oh no, he was moving. Let's go back again. We are getting close to our 15-minute resistant line. So we will easily take a lower trade if we come up to that red line. Let me see one other thing here now. We have 9 likes. Amazing. I'm super happy for that. Let's continue. Now, and if there are any questions, you can write to me in the chat right now. I will reply as soon as I see it. I have a screen open here in the side view. Probably when we are looking for trades, we will not take it, but by the way, we did trade on IQ Cents before today. We just made 3 trades. We made a $90 profit. Let's see if we can do a little better here. Till now we don't have any trades. I should probably start to look for some more. Let's try. Let's just open a few here. Just so we can see if we can do something more and switch in between them. Let's take the 5 minutes. On the 5 minute we can see we have a beautiful one up here. So let's take a horizontal line, put it up around here. Let's make it our red line. This one down here we can just remove. Let's take it back to the 30 seconds. And let's see. Now I want to see where to put this line. I think here is actually a good place. We are very close to take a trade here now. If you come up to the red line, we will try to push down and see how this plays out. Let's see. We are very close to the trade. If you're curious about where I put my lines, you can see them on the red number there. It's 0, 68, 63, 7. I put my line. Now let's see. We are ready to take a lower trade here now. That will be the first trade of the day for. I got a very bad entry. I take one more up there. Let's see. That was a better one. Now let's see how this plays out for us. Now we need to wait more 10 seconds for the first. Now we are losing both. That will be a terrible start. We lost the first and do we lost both? We lost both. Okay, so then we lost $200. Then we are $200 down on this account. Let's continue. So not the best start. Now let's see. I will say a terrible start, and he chose to go down after, so very annoying, but we will move our line up there now. That might be the better area to enter. That's the problem, we don't have a specific sweet spot like we have on IQSense. So here we need to work a little more to find our lines. So not the best start. Now let's see. I would say let's take it to the 5 minute to take a look. Let's zoom out a little. We just might have something down here if I take it on the line now. Let's move on. Let's see on the 5 minutes. This might be an area. No, he did continue up. And here he's breaking down. Do we have something down there? Let me see. Let's take a... If you go down to be red again, I'll push up. Let's see. There, we take up. Now let's see if that will play out good for us. We need to wait 20 seconds. It's basically based on the line we see here. I did not have time to mark it. Oh, 10 more seconds. Then we're getting a $92 profit from that trade. We won. Then we are $108 in minus. So let's then mark a line down there. This is our trading line. I have it on the 5 minute now. So if you come down to this green line, we will push up. Now let's see. Probably we should change it to 1 minute, but we keep it for 30 seconds. I think that will work good here now. Let's see. We are ready to go in. Let's see. Looks like we're going down again. We are waiting. Okay. Would be nice to get one more test on there now. We'll turn profit soon. With one more win now, then we are more or less in minus. In zero, I mean. Now let's see. Let's zoom in some more. We have now total bit trading suit for 1 hour. Now let's see. Make sure. Oh, wait. Almost. I did take a trade. If I've taken, I would have won. Looks like. Make sure you open with the broker I'm using. And take advantage of the super account. You find it in the chat. Now let's see. I'm ready again. So yes, if I had pushed the button, if I'd been a little faster, I would have won the trade. Now, when that is said, we might get a new chance. I take one there. I'm a little slow, and one more there. Now let's see how this plays out. If we win this two, then we are in profit for the day. If we start to break down, we will be in big loss. Let's see. Both entries are not that bad, so it's possible we can win both. If we win the first, I'll look very promising. And we won the first, that is promising. And we won the second. Perfect, then we are in profit. Plus 92, plus 92, and we are $76 profit. So then we have found ourselves a good line. Now let's see if we can continue. So I will trade again tomorrow, by the way. Then let me see now. We are traded now for 1 hour. I think I'm pretty happy with that. We did turn profit. You got the idea about my trading style. I did promise I was going to trade on both brokers, and I've done that today. We are trading now for 1 hour. My plan for the future is that I will do 1 hour on IQ Sense and 1 hour on Pocket Option. So this was more like a teaser, we can call it, for what is to come. So if you like my trading style, we did turn profit on both brokers. And I hope that we can start to see a little more people online. I see we are 11 just right now. I think we can do much better than that going forward. So now make sure you open accounts for the two brokers, make a deposit, and we will trade more together tomorrow on both brokers. I think I will trade a little longer tomorrow. So make sure you tune in tomorrow, and let's have some fun and trade and make some huge profit. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you all tomorrow.